Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making some chicken soup, and right here I have some chicken, and I put some season on there, a little bit of black pepper and salt, Maggi, and a little bit of green seasoning. Over here I have my pumpkin. My pumpkin is not the best of a bright color, but you get the drift. Carrot, some Irish potato, sweet potato, and a little bit of chow chow. And we're gonna add the carrots and the pumpkin together with the chicken in the pot. So on the stove I have some water boiling with a little bit of salt and pimento, crushed pimento that is. So we're gonna boil them together for at least 30-35 minutes, and then we're gonna add some dumplings. I'm still trying to see if I want dumplings. I don't know, I'm not sure. It's snowing outside, so I might make some, who knows. But we're gonna do that, and then I'm gonna show you what's going on. Okay, this is what it looks like when I add it to the boiling water. We're gonna make this cook for at least 30-35 minutes. Now don't pay the top of the soup, now mind, we're gonna skim that later on. Now, mind you guys, this is not a big pot. So, you know when your granny would have say she gonna make a cup of soup, this is basically what my cup of soup is. Now, maybe later down when I get to add the potatoes and maybe the dumplings, I'll have to change the pot. Maybe. I will try not to change the pot because me really and truly don't want to change it. But we're gonna see what I'm going. So, catch you back 35 minutes from now, yeah? Okay guys, so this is what it looks like after 35 minutes. Basically the water reduced, so we're gonna fix that. We're gonna just put in some dumpling right now. Remember y'all, I'm working with only one hand here, and please, dumpling them not perfect. Alright, I'm gonna stir this. Hold on. Okay, so right here we have scallion, thyme, and some okra, and I want scotch bonnet right there. So we're gonna add in the scallion and the thyme. Remember we did season the chicken, so we're not gonna add no salt because remember we still have to put the soup mix in there. Okay guys, so we added in the dumplings and some of the potatoes, sweet potato and Irish potato. This is the liquid from the soup mix, and we're using cock soup. So we're just gonna pour everything in it. So all of that little bit of niceness there, you want to get all of that in there. Now I took the noodles out, so I'm just strain the noodles out because I really don't want the noodles in there. This the noodles, you don't want to put that in there. If you want to, you can. I don't. We're gonna stir this up. So we're gonna stir this. Add in the okra. Matter of fact, let me just add my okras in right now, because really and truly I'm trying to hurry up and get out the kitchen. So I'm gonna talk about my okras. They're frozen okras, and I don't have fresh okras, so just frozen. We're gonna boil this for the next 15 to 20 minutes on low to medium heat. The salt level is okay. I don't want no more salt in there, no more nothing. This is fine. So we're just gonna cook this for another 15 to 20 minutes, and then we're gonna put some into a bowl. Okay, so I had to change my pot. Guys, this is a trick that I learned like a couple months ago. And you take a wooden spoon and you lay it across the pot and it won't boil over. I am very surprised. It's like every time I do it, I find it like surprising. But yeah, guys, we have 10 more minutes to go, and then I'm gonna put some into a bowl and we're not gonna see what it look like. So there you guys go. Okay guys, so this is the finished product, or chicken soup. Yes, looks nice, right? Anyways guys, thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Leave a comment on what you would like to see next. And there you guys have it. Enjoy!